Mr. Chair, dun po sa compliance po namin, we emphasized on the confidentiality of the information. So kami din po, hindi rin po namin in-expect that it would be released to the public.
Hindi mo alam ang nature ng pagdinig dito sa House of Representatives. This is always public. Ikaw naman. How can you say na hindi mo alam? Sa inyo po kasi confidential. Iba po yung modality nyo because this is audit. Pero once na binigay mo dito, the House of Representatives and all the committees will conduct and undertake meetings publicly. Wala po kaming private meetings. So pag sinabi mong hindi na compromise, opinion mo yun eh. Opinion mo. You are not in a position to tell us na hindi na compromise. Only time will tell. Siguro po dapat pinaalam po ninyo. The fact that you did not even inform the commission proper that there is a subpoena sent by the House, dapat sana ganun eh. Sa akin pong palagay, ay na-compromise po ninyo yung integrity, yung independence na ano ba sa Tagalog, yung repose, yung ipinagkatiwala sa inyo na saligang batas. Maring hindi po nyo alam, maring hindi conscious kayo, pero part of that authority na ibigay po ninyo. Sa Makatwid, meron pong na-compromise ngayon. Sa aking palagay po, kung talagang susuriin ito, kung makakapagseryoso po tayo, baka po maring managot po ang inyong mga opisyal. I am referring to the chairman and the commissioners of COA. Somebody might file an impeachment case on the ground of, ano bang grounds natin? Betrayal of public trust. Alam po ninyo, mataas na uring pagpapahalaga yun eh. Kayo na rin po ang umamin at alam kong tama naman ang sinabi niyo. There is no other agency of government. Ang saligang batas po, mahigpit ang tagubilin. Siloso po yung saligang batas. Ayaw niya na meron po kayong ipagbibigyan pa. It was delegated exclusively to you. You cannot delegate that, even part of that particular authority and function.